Hello, hello. I just finished filming a recipe. It is a walnut crusted salmon recipe that's super easy using ingredients from your fridge or your cupboard. And I was filming it for the California Walnuts company. And I thought, well, you know what? Maybe I could put this on YouTube too. I have a lot of my audience who's asking for more recipe content on YouTube, and it's a lot of work because Instagram wants it vertical and YouTube wants it a long way. So I'm going to try something different here by putting it vertically here, but longer form. So would love to hear what you think if you liked this format. If not, the recipe was developed with California walnuts, but you can use whatever type of nut you have on hand because it blends up really well in the blender that it doesn't really matter what you use. And I think it will be heart healthy, right? Because any type of nut and seed has unsaturated fat, and unsaturated fats can help lower our LDL cholesterol. So we want to eat more unsaturated fats, and we want to have some servings of nuts and seeds every day for cholesterol management. So whatever you like, try that. And then this recipe is very delicious. My whole family likes it. It's a great way to start eating salmon. It's great on trout as well. We know that eating salmon and trout, those are cold water fatty fish. Eating those 2 times a week is recommended in a heart healthy diet in order to achieve the adequate omega-3 fatty acids that we need to consume. Right? So 2 servings a week. And if you make this recipe and have leftovers the next day, then you can kind of check that box off your to-do list, which I hope makes it easy for you, especially because this recipe, comes together really quickly. You just have to put everything in a blender and as you'll see and stick it in the oven. So you can't really go wrong. I just wanted to mention too that omega-3s are an essential nutrient, which means that our body can't make it. I can't find building blocks to put it together. We need to consume it through food, and our body absorbs this fish type of omega-3. It's called EPA and DHA, a lot better than plant forms of omega-3s, which are called ALA. So if you can try to start consuming more cold water fatty fish, try this recipe out. And again, let me know what you think of this format. If you like it, I will do more like this. So excited to hear from you all, and let me know if you try the recipe too. I'd love to hear what you think. Honestly, as a heart health dietitian, my clients are always asking me the same thing. What can I make for dinner that actually supports heart health and doesn't take a ton of effort? That's why I partnered with California Walnuts to share this walnut crusted salmon recipe with you. I'm a big fan of building meals from what's already in your fridge and pantry, and walnuts are one of those staples I always have on hand. Not only do they add crunch and flavor, but they are also the only tree nut that provides omega-3 polyunsaturated fats. If you want the recipe, be sure to comment dinner and I'll send it over.